This video right here was once a picture, an AI picture that I downloaded from Leonardo, and then it was transformed into a video, and it made a good content for me. You can see I had up to 1,000 plus views from this video. Now, in today's video, we'll be talking about AI. AI pictures are everywhere, but what if you could turn them into stunning videos for your content? In this tutorial, I'll be showing us step by step how you can turn your AI pictures into stunning videos using Leonardo AI and Piverse. Let's dive in.
All right, so step one, first thing first is to download Leonardo AI if you don't have it. But for me, I have it, so I will just go straight to where my Leonardo is. This is my Leonardo. So I'm going to click on it. When you click on your Leonardo, you wait for it to download. After downloading, okay, this is how the interface looks like. Then you look down, you're going to see generate, library, more, home. So you click on generate, okay. Now one thing about this Leonardo is that every day, every single day, they give you 150 coin, okay, for your downloads, for your, for your prompt. So I have a fresh 150 coin. They give it every day, they renew it. The old one goes out, the new one comes in. So it's not as if it's adding up, no, So this is it. If you watch my interface, you see that my prompt that I used previously is still here. So I'm going to just highlight everything and delete. So now what you want to do is that you want to create your AI picture with Leonardo AI. Okay, first thing you need to do is to head over to Leonardo AI, like I said. So if you don't have a Leonardo, kindly download it from your Play Store. Then when you are there, you type in a simple prompt. Okay, type in a simple prompt, maybe a sample, a cute baby dragon cartoon style. Let's use that. A cute baby dragon cartoon style. So this is what we want Leonardo to give us. Okay, once you are done typing it, okay, Leonardo will generate unique AI image for you. Then you save the ones you like. So let us click on, you are seeing this arrow, okay, you click on this arrow. So to generate these four pictures, okay, you're going to be needing 46 coin out of your 150. So I'm going to hit this arrow and my pictures are on their way. Okay, pictures are on their way coming. Let's see the unique AI picture that we are going to get. While we wait, let me pause this video. I don't want it to be long. All right, so this is what we have. This is our cute baby dragon. Okay, so Leonardo gave us four pictures. Okay, so we have to choose the one we want. Now what we do next in the step two is to download these videos. Okay, save them in your gallery. So I'm going to download this one, hit download, and it's going to download straight to your gallery. Then we look for another one to take. We'll take this one, downloaded. We look for another one, like let's say we'll take three. So we'll take this one again, download. So our baby dragon is what? Downloaded. So the next step is to import these pictures in our Piverse. Okay, so if you don't have Piverse in your phone, kindly go to Play Store and download it. Okay, but if you have it, let's move over to that. So I'm going to minimize from this place and then move over to Piverse. Where is Piverse? Some call it Piverse, okay, some call it Piverse, so it depends. So this is it. This is my Piverse. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, when I click on it, this is how the interface looks like. They have free version, they have pro version. So most times they will pump this thing up for you to subscribe, but you can use their free version as a new YouTuber. So we'll go straight to, when you look down, okay, you will see a plus sign. Okay, you click on the plus sign, you will see upload your image. So this is where you're going to get those pictures you downloaded from Leonardo. Okay, you bring them here to Piverse to do the magic. Okay, so Piverse is very great because it lets you bring your AI pictures to life. That is one thing about Piverse. It brings pictures to life. Okay, so we're going to upload the image that we created with Leonardo. Okay, and then we'll see what it will do for us. Okay, now I'll click on upload your image, and this is it. This is the image. I'm going to go with this one first because Piverse upload just one after the other, not like Leonardo that will give you four at a time. Piverse gives just one video at a time. So now, what do we want this video to do for us? Okay, you want to add animation to your video. Okay, you want to add an animation, so you tell Piverse what you want. Okay, when you look down at this option, you will see imagine something about the image. So we're going to say I want my dragon to be jumping up and down. So jumping up and down, we create to create this video. Okay, it will take us 20 coin. Okay, now Leonardo gives us 150 coin every day. Piverse gives 60 coin every day. Okay, so with the 60 coin, the only pictures you can only turn only you can only turn three pictures at a time from Piverse, unlike Leonardo that gives you four pictures for 46 coin. Okay, but in Piverse you get only three pictures turned to video for 60 coin, which is what they give. Okay, so let's create this. We are going to create this using 20 coin. Let's create this. So it is generating. You can come here to see your generating videos. These are the videos I've already made with this. Lots of them. These are pictures I've turned to videos, and I've been using them to create content. So we have this video. Let's see what we have here. I told Piverse to give us a jumping dragon. So let's see. Wow, wow. Can you see that? Our dragon is jumping. Okay. So this is it. This is what we have now. So you can go ahead and download it. Now Piverse is has pro and free version. Okay, if you don't want any watermark added to your video, what you need to do is just to pay and enter the pro version. But with watermark, okay, watermark comes when you are downloading without payment. Okay, when you're downloading using the free version, but I will show you how to remove the watermark while editing. So let's click on download with watermark, because I'm also using the free version. So we are downloaded. So this is in our gallery now. So we'll go back again to generate another video from the pictures we have. So let's go with this one. I want it to run in. We want our baby dragon to running round. Generate. So let's see what it will give us. While we wait for this one, we can also go ahead and download our third video. The third one now. Let's download the third one. This is the third one. So we want it jumping as well. No, this time we want it flying. We want our baby dragon flying. Alright, so our three pictures are downloading, and this second one is done download. Let's see what we have in the second one. Okay, look at it. Look at it. It's turning around. It's running around like we said. We said we want our baby dragon to run around, and this is what it's doing. So we'll go ahead and download it using watermark because we are using free version. Downloaded. If you want to publish your content in Piverse, you publish. When you publish, they will give you extra 10 coin, but we don't want to publish in this one, so I'm going to cancel it. Now we go over to the third one is done downloading. We click on it. We said we want a baby dragon to fly. Baby dragon is flying. Can you see that? Oh, very good. So what we need to do now is to download this one again. So in this Piverse, we have options like adding, voiceover. Okay, you can add voiceover if you want. You can add music if you want. So we are done downloading. It's time to zoom out. So you can add music, you can add voiceover if you want, but I think you have to do that using the pro version. Okay, you have to do that using the pro version. So what we're going to do now is to head over to our editing software. Okay, and in this one I'm going to be using CapCut to edit it. So let's go straight to CapCut to join these videos together and then add some music to it, and then our content is ready. So we are moving over to CapCut right now. So if you don't have CapCut, do well to download CapCut from your Play Store. So this is my CapCut. Click on new project, and I'm going to add them at once, the three of them. So they are here in my CapCut. Okay, now we'll have to look at the first thing we need to do here. Look at how it appears. You see, from having a flying dragon to having a dragon that is what? Turning around, to having a dragon that is what? You know, jumping around. So this is what we have. You can delete this one. So the first thing first is to add audio. Now you can add audio, you can add voiceover, okay? But I just want to add audio, just want to add music. So you click on sound, you look for a nice music here, okay, and add. Let's look at this first one and see how. So I've been looking for a music that will suit this. Let's just go with this one. Okay, if the music is too long, just click on it and then split delete. So this is what we have here. The next thing we need to do is to see how we can remove this. We can use something to cover the watermark that is showing. So you click on the video, okay, click on the video, look for, because it's a YouTube content, whichever content that you are creating, okay, you can look for something that has to relate with what you are doing and then use it. So I'm looking for sticker right now. Okay, sticker, where are you? So this is my sticker. I'm going to be using this subscribe button here. So what I will do next is to bring it up to this place to cover the watermark from Piverse. Okay, so putting this now has covered the watermark, so it's not going to be showing again in the video. So when you come here, you have to tap on this and then move it down to the end of the video. Sorry, down. So the watermark is covering everything. So with this, our video is made. Okay, so this is it. So this is how you can create so many videos, okay? Turning pictures into video. Look at it. Our video is very, very stunning. So before you add any sound, okay, this is what we I didn't remember to do this. Before adding any sound to your CapCut, please, you have to add any sound that has to go in with YouTube. You have to be very sure that it does not have copyright. So how to do this is to you just type it non-copyright background music. So to be on a safe side, use uh sorry, background music that does not have any copyright attached. Let's see this one. So all these ones now, there is no copyright attached to it. Okay, so you are free to use it. So let's try this one and do away with this, because I didn't check the copyright of that one. You can also increase the volume if you want. Good. So this is it. The music is longer than the video, so you split and you delete. So that is it. So we are done with this. Make sure you try this. Make sure you try this. Make sure you try this, okay? All right.
That was stunning, right? So when you are done, okay, what you do is to click on export. Ensure you export using 1080p for best quality. Now you've got a stunning AI powered video ready for upload on YouTube. So that is it. So you just, transform your AI pictures to a stunning video for your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram content. All right. So if this video helped you, okay, if what I did helped you, kindly hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, like the video so that others can also benefit from this, and then share, okay? And please let me know in the comment section which video you're going to make next. Which of the AI pictures are you going to convert to video for your next content? All right, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.